evening, guys. How are you? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching me from. It's a few minutes to 8 p.m. and I want to do my evening face routine. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the support you're giving me in my YouTube channel. And yeah, let's do this evening face routine and I'll show you what I use. Subscribe, share, and even leave a comment. Yes. First things first. So I'm using BioBalance as my cleanser. This is the cleanser. I hope you can see that. And first things first, you have to wet your hands and your face. So let's wet the hands and the face. And my skin is breaking out again. So if you can see over here, there's some breakouts here and then there's some breakouts over here. But that's not to worry. So I'll do two parts of this. And just so guys, when you're cleansing your face, make sure you cleanse it for long. Don't be in a hurry to just do it for a few seconds and you want to wash. Just do this for up to 2 minutes. At least that's what my is it dermatologist told me. So let's cleanse. Yeah, can see that? So let's wash it off now. I feel my face is clean. Yeah. So that's the cleansing part. And if you have some towels that you can, disposable towels that you just use once to dab your face and throw it, the better. I'm going to look for those. But make sure you also have a towel that is specifically for your face. So mine is here. This is specifically for my face and I have 4 of this. So I'll just dab like that. Dab it, dab it, dab it. Dab it, dab it, dab it. After I've used this towel, morning and evening, I put it in the laundry basket. Yeah. Because it's not good to repeat. Alright, so after cleansing, what follows for me, because the skin is breaking out, yeah, is adapalene. I don't know if you can see this. This is adapalene. Yeah. So I'll go in with pea size of adapalene. When I say pea size, it's just something small like this. Don't put a lot. Something small. Then I go in targeting the areas that are breaking out. You see? So I target there. Yeah. If it's your first time using adapalene, don't go in direct to the skin the way I've done it. I'm doing that because I've been using this for so long and I know it will not irritate my skin. So if you're doing it like for the first time, go in with a little night cream, a very thin layer of night cream first before the adrenaline. So I'll let that sit for a minute before I go in with it. With the night cream called Oxygen Botanicals Edge Wonder Cream. I hope that is focused. So the cream itself is here. This is how it looks, and it's supposed to target fine lines, hydrate and smooth. Directions for use: every night apply generously onto the face using upward sweeping motion. Upward. So I hope when they say upward, I know to do the upward. I think this is what they mean. Like, like that. That could be what they mean. Also, don't forget your neck. Like that. Yeah. It's a bit irritating. Don't let it touch your nose. Yeah. Yeah. So that's me. That's my cleansed face for the evening. This is the cream that I use for evening. It's called Oxygen Botanicals. Whew, but let me tell you guys, there are some people who don't do much with their skin. Let me put some Vaseline on my lips. They don't do much. They'll just use some very cheap cream and their face is smooth. Like there's someone I know, they just use this and their face is so smooth. Me, I want to be that person. Yeah? Face smooth, because this cream costs 7,000 shillings, depending on where you buy. 7, 8, maybe even 9,000. Just this one, right? This cleanser costs, how much did I pay? It was around 2,500, 3,000. I don't remember, but it's not cheap. And then apart from that, I'll shoot the day skin face routine. The products I use for the day also are not cheap, like the Cosrx cleanser. No, there's another cleanser that I like using in the morning. I don't know if it's here. It's not here. Did I even carry it? Looks like I forgot. Did I forget that cleanser? Oh, I hope I didn't forget it, because, oh my god, did I forget it? I had gone somewhere in a hotel, in an Airbnb, and I'm hoping I didn't. So the Cosrx cleanser, the Cosrx essence, mucus essence, the Cosrx moisturizer, the sunscreen, all those are also very expensive. So it's not cheap. The skincare products are not cheap. That's why when I see someone just using this and their face is so smooth, and then someone else using, there's another one we call Arimis, and their face is so smooth, I'm like, yo, you guys are so lucky. You're so lucky. You know what it feels like. So let's have my low carb dinner. I'll have the chicken. Chicken.
I'm kind of shaky in it, but I'm kind of looking forward to it. I'm kind of relieved that things are changing, and I'm terrified.
With these French beans.
I'm kind of feeling a sense of adventure in my life because I got fired, and I'm off so much in my bank account, and it's running the wrong way.
And a little cabbage.
It's moving in the right direction, so I'm kind of excited to have free
You
time.
can see that.
Kind of not excited. I'm a little anxious about having less money because now I'm stretched and I'm stretching towards something that I didn't expect. And in this season of my life, I'm excited. Somebody asked me recently, "What do you and I feel about being empty nesters soon?" I said, "Soon. Abby is 14. I'm trying to run around the house. She just started wearing makeup."
So let's open my champagne. Let me bring this closer over there. So guys, remember when I talked to you about the facial products that I bought? I even found the receipt here. And that day I bought, so the receipt here is 15,000. I don't know if you can see that. 15,000. Yeah, 15k. And these are just a fraction of the product that I got, because this one has the BioBalance was 2,000, Oxygen Botanical 7,000. But then this shop is fairly priced, and they have original products. Because I went online and saw these botanicals. Some places they're even selling at 8,000. I also got a niacinamide serum. Gosh, this serum was so expensive. Oh, at 3,650. Let me show you that serum. Should be this one. Can you see that? Niacinamide serum. And I've not even started using it because I'm so scared it may react with my face badly. So I don't even know why I bought it. And it's around 4,000. Hey God. And then the sunscreen that I got is 2,700. That's one of the cheapest sunscreens that I got this time around, because the ones that I've used before were even at 5,000. So these face products are not cheap. They're not cheap. And then they wrote for me a routine, morning and evening. Yeah. So I'll be referring to that in case I forget. Now, let's open my champagne. And before that, let me lay out what I'm putting on for my evening as I relax. So this is what I'll put on. Let me just put it there. And then let me put on the sermon I want to listen to. Not I want to listen to, I started listening to, I want to finish. And look at this fabric freshener, guys. If you want once you make your bed in the morning and you want to just freshen the fabric, use this one. It smells so good. Very nice. Very nice. Let me put it inside here. And then, how cute is this Vaseline? I love it because it has oil-infused serum, which honestly I think it moisturizes a bit, not so much, because I don't think I get all the moisture that I want. Right. So let's open this. But first, the sermon I was listening to, yeah, there it is. As I get ready to wind down. This one was in the fridge, that's why it's sweating like this. It is sweating. Now, are you scared to open champagne like me because of the
Because the things you said you never would do again, you started doing them again. And you're carrying it like a secret in your heart. Because somebody got up and told you that if you accepted Jesus, you would leave the old you behind. And that is true positionally. God no longer relates to you on the basis of any sin you committed. Every single one of the sins that you committed.
all right, the moment of
its effect was canceled.
truth is here.
Your sins have been blotted out.
I hope it's not going to pour all over the place.
From the penalty of sin. You have been delivered from the power of sin. Sin is no longer
All right.
your position. Sin is no longer your identity. But although you have been delivered
Oh my
from
God.
the power, although
That's
you
so
have been
hard.
delivered from the penalty, and although it is no longer your position, you still have some patterns called sin that go with you in your future.
Woo!
Called now. I want to preach this because you are Israel and you are Jacob, but you are
Let me
kind of
taste.
Israel.
Cheers, guys.
I'm a preacher till you get honest. I'm a preacher
So
till you
good.
stop polishing your halo and pretending like you didn't cuss
It's a
yourself.
rosé.
I'm a preacher till you stop pretending like you got the right
Rosé, rosé.
about other people's faith when you know good and well you are not always on a church website. When you know good and well there's some Jacob that came with you to church.
I don't have that thing for closing. Once it's open, I think I should buy it. But for now, I'll improvise. I'll use this one like this. And put this one like I'm putting it back. Because I will not add, by the way. That's enough. Cheers.
And presence. That when God speaks of your Jacob, you don't run away and hide. The truth of the matter is that the weight that Jacob is carrying, I just want to talk to you about today. Very excited about where he's going. May give you a little compassion for yourself that I have this weight. It's not that my heart is hard. Direction of the unexpected pregnant possibility. God.
The cleanser Biobalance. Then we have the night cream, oxygen is the pack, and then a Depaline. This is almost over.